Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to change theme on Shopify. What you need to do, first just go to Shopify and log in your account and then click here online store and then click here themes. After that, just scroll down and you will see here free themes and Shopify theme store. Just click and see all the themes and you can select what you want. Here the free and here the Shopify theme store. It's open a new tab. If I would choose the free themes, then just click here, explore free themes, and I choose this for example. Just click here and then click add to theme library. Yes, it's just added here. This is what you need to do. Yeah, you successfully added customize theme. This is what you need to do if you want to change theme on Shopify. I hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel if you are not subscriber yet. Thank you and see you.